Let's go to my fraction flower. This is my fraction flower garden. Look at this flower. This flower has no equal parts, so I written one there. Look this flower. This is divided in two pieces. Look, one, two, two pieces. One is numerator and two is denominator. Same, this is 1 by 3. One is numerator and two is denominator. This is divided into three pieces. 1, 2, 3. Let's go to the next flower. This is the last flower. 1 divided by 4. 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Look, this is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 equal to 1. Thank you.